In this video, we'll be discussing basics of cloud computing and what exactly is cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing, power, storage and databases on an as-needed basis from a cloud provider. So you only need to pay for the services which you use. So small businesses are saved from the hassle of maintaining and paying for physical servers. Who is using cloud computing? Organizations of each type, size and industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases such as data backup, disaster recovery, email, virtual desktops, software development and testing, big data analytics, and customer-facing web applications. For example, healthcare companies are using the cloud to develop more personalized treatments for patients. Financial service companies are using the cloud to power real-time fraud detection and prevention. And video game makers are using the cloud to deliver online games to millions of players around the world. So you can think of cloud as a platform where you can deploy your web applications, virtual machines, or use it for storage purposes. Next, we move on to the benefits of cloud computing. The first one is agility. The cloud gives you easy access to a broad range of technologies so that you can innovate faster and build nearly anything that you can imagine. You can quickly spin up resources as you need them, from infrastructure services such as compute, storage, and databases, to Internet of Things, machine learning, data lakes, and analytics, and much more. It provides resources quickly so that things can be done faster. Next is elasticity. With cloud computing, you don't have to over-provision resources upfront to handle peak levels of business activity in the future. Instead, you provision the amount of resources that you actually need. You can scale these resources up or down to instantly grow and shrink capacity as your business needs change. This property of cloud is also called scalability. So if you're using lesser resources than you actually do, then you only need to pay for the resources you are using at that particular point of time. The last one is cost saving. The cloud allows you to trade capital expenses such as data centers and physical servers for variable expenses and only pay for information technology as you consume it. And the variable expenses are much lower than what you would pay to do it yourself because of the economies of scale. Let's see what are the types of cloud computing. The three main types of cloud computing include Infrastructure as a Service or IaaS, Platform as a Service or PaaS, Software as a Service or SaaS. Each type of cloud computing provides different levels of control, flexibility and management so that you can select the right set of services for your needs. First is Infrastructure as a Service. IaaS contains the basic building blocks for cloud information technology. It provides access to networking features, computers, virtual or dedicated hardware, and data storage space. It gives you the highest level of flexibility and management control over your IT resources. It's the most similar to the existing IT resources with which many IT departments and developers are familiar. Second one is Platform as a Service. This removes the need for you to manage infrastructure, usually hardware and operating systems, and allows you to focus on the deployment and management of your applications. This helps you to be more efficient as you don't need to worry about resource procurement, capacity planning, software maintenance, patching, or any of the other undifferentiated heavy lifting involved in running your application. third is software as a service. This provides you with a complete product that is run and managed by the service provider. In most cases, people referring to this are referring to end user applications such as web-based email. With the SaaS offering, you don't have to think about how the service is maintained or how the underlying is managed. You only need to think about how you will use that particular software. If you like this video, press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.